Welcome! In today's video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to create personalized and meaningful gift ideas. If you're looking to go beyond the usual and make your gifts truly memorable, you're in the right place. From understanding your recipient's preferences to designing full gift experiences, we've got it all covered. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources, prompts, and tips to help you out. Now, let's jump right in. The key to finding a truly personalized gift is knowing what the recipient enjoys, but sometimes it can be tough to get specific details. This is where ChatGPT can help. It's great for coming up with thoughtful questions that let you dive deeper into their likes and dislikes. So let's start by asking ChatGPT for some suggestions on how to better understand someone's preferences. Right? Here's the prompt. Let's send this off right here. So as you can see, as I send this, ChatGPT will generate a list of questions that I can ask to get a clearer picture of what my recipient might love. All right. And so here is what ChatGPT had suggested. See, look at that. The list just keeps going on just to help you out more with how many questions that could be helpful to spark up like conversations with the recipient. And look at that. So these are some fantastic questions. Like, for example, you could ask right here about something new you've learned or tried recently that excited you. And another one, like, how did you first get interest in? Blah, blah, blah. Any activity or topic. Or what do you love most about any activity, topic, or interest? So, yeah, anything. And so, with these questions, you can really hone in on what makes the recipient happy. With this, it makes it easier to choose the perfect gift. Now that we have a good idea of the recipient's preferences, it's time to get creative with the types of gifts we can give. Now, ChatGPT is amazing at suggesting unique and unconventional categories that go beyond the usual. Whether it's an experience or something educational, we want to find something truly special. Now let's ask ChatGPT for ideas based on a specific interest. Let's say that recipient likes outdoor adventures. So here's the prompt right here. Now let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. It should give us some fresh ideas that really match an outdoor enthusiast's lifestyle. All right, here's how it processes from here. All right, so far these are some fantastic suggestions. One right here, the usual outdoor apparel. Another one right here, custom maps or art. There's also a nature journals and sketchbooks. And yep, so these are some fantastic suggestions. Overall, once again. So these gifts aren't just thoughtful, they help create unforgettable experiences. This is how you can really elevate your gift by aligning it with what the recipient is passionate about. See? Quite helpful, I must say. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that you've picked the perfect gift, let's add a personal touch with a heartfelt message. This can make the difference between a gift that's simply nice and one that's truly meaningful. Crafting a message that reflects the relationship and the recipient's interests can be tricky, but with ChatGPT, it's a breeze. Let's see how it can help us create a thoughtful message for a special occasion. So, let's say for a best friend's birthday, which their preferences would be photography. Now, here it is, my prompt right here. Now let's see what ChatGPT suggests. It should give us something that's both heartfelt and tailored to our friend's passion for photography. All right. Here is the message right here. There we go. The little greeting in the bottom right here. And wow, look at that. So this message beautifully ties in their love for photography with a warm birthday wish right down over here. It's thoughtful, personal, and will definitely make the gift feel more special. With ChatGPT's help, you can easily craft messages that show how much you care for the recipient. Sometimes the most memorable gifts aren't physical items, but the experiences we create for our loved ones. ChatGPT can help you go beyond just buying a gift and design an entire experience that's personalized to the recipient's passions. Let's see how ChatGPT can help us craft a unique experience for, let's say, someone who loves books. Can be a bit tricky. So it depends on how it might even be tedious, or it could be something even more interesting. But it all depends on what ChatGPT would recommend it for us. Oh, here we go. Here's the prompt. So let's send this over and see what ChatGPT would recommend us. So by sending this prompt, ChatGPT should give us ideas for creating a thoughtful and immersive experience that revolves around their love of reading. All right. And so here are the following recommendations. So, one right here, personalized book sections, and there are a few details. There's also customized book accessories. Another one right here, a literary themed gift basket, customized book quote art, personalized reading journal, literary themed experience right here. And all right, here it is. Wow, this is actually quite perfect, I must say. So, this isn't just a gift, it's definitely an experience that brings their favorite hobby to life. With ideas like this, you can turn a simple gesture into a lasting memory. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to create personalized and meaningful gift ideas. Whether it's uncovering the perfect gift category or crafting a heartfelt message, well, ChatGPT makes it easy to create something special.